Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to delete a Steam account. This is an easy process to do through the application of Steam on your phone. So the first step is go to the application here in Twitch, and after that you need to go to the superior right corner in the interrogation sign. This is the option of your profile, and here you need to go down and pick in account details. So here in account details you need to go in the first page to the last part of that page, and you find the option of delete account. So maybe this can be late like a few minutes, but it's that not download the page. You can go back and enter again, and you can prove again the option, and maybe like you see it's fixed. So here you need to go down, and here in delete my Steam account you need to put, and after that you need to follow these steps for complete the delete of account. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.